Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can we use fitness app without Apple Watch. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, let me tell you that if you have connected your fitness app with Apple Watch and want to use it without Apple Watch, let me tell you that you have to open setting first and just simply you have to tap on general, then you have to scroll down and tap on iPhone storage, and from here you have to offload your fitness app. Okay guys, just simply you have to offload the app and then try to reinstall it. So once you have done this guys, after that you have to open your fitness app. Now once you have done this guys, you can see guys, here is the interface of this. So once you have opened, after uploading the app, you can see that you have to put your date of birth first, and then you have to put your height, and then you have to put your weight there and tap on continue, and you have to put the required information that's showing on the page. So you have to follow the instructions on fitness app and you will get this page here. Okay guys, and if you want to use this without Apple Watch, just simply you have to take your phone with you. Just simply take your phone with you and just simply put in your pocket. Okay guys, because if you don't get your phone with you, then it won't be able to detect your fitness. Okay guys, so if you want to use it, just simply take your phone with you and it will easily detect that how many steps you takes and how many distance you cover from here and how many calories do you have. Okay guys, and you can also get rewards from here. So that's pretty much for today video. If it's helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.